Okay, let's talk about 4 common problems that can occur and how to fix them. So if we select the first cube, it looks okay. But if we add a modifier, let's add a subdivision surface, we can see that something is wrong here. And the reason for this is that we have duplicate vertices that need to be fixed. So if you just enter edit mode, let's press tab and then press A to select everything and then M to merge by distance. And this is fixed. And it's a good practice to once in a while press A to select everything and then just M to merge it. And then you will get rid of all the duplicate vertices. Great. For the next cube, we select it. It looks okay. Let's add a modifier. Let's add a subdivision surface modifier again. And we can see that something is wrong. We can turn the subdivision off. This time we have faces facing the wrong direction. So this one is facing toward us, but this one are probably facing the wrong direction. And one way to check this is to go up here and check face orientation. And we can see this side is glowing red, and this means that this face are facing the wrong direction. It's facing inwards, and we don't want that. So let's select it, press tab to enter edit mode, and then we can just press Shift N. And this recalculate the normals and everything is all right. And let's turn on the subdivision modifier again, and it's solved. Great. And now we can take this cube and we can see we have a mirror applied. So if we enter edit mode just to see what's happening, we turn off the mirror and we can see we just have this part and then we have mirrored it this way and down and we get a whole cube. Great. And if we go back to object mode and I want to add a subdivision surface, we can do this, no problem, it looks okay. But if I accidentally change the order of the modifiers, we will have some problems. And sometimes when things starting to look strange and you don't know why, it might be because you have the wrong order of the modifiers. So if you drag this down again, it will be solved. Great. And for the last issue, we select this cube and we can add a subdivision surface. It looks good, great. We can go with one level more. Perfect. And we want to smooth it out. So let's go with the shade auto smooth. And now we can see we have some kind of strange line here. And the reason for this is that we seem to have some face on the inside. And sometimes they are tricky to find, but we can see it here. Okay, another way also to spot them is if we press Alt Z and enter X-ray mode. We can see it looks a bit weird here. We can leave X-ray mode. And the way to solve this is just to select this one, enter edit mode, and go up to select all by trait, and interior faces. And then we can just press X to delete faces, like so. And now it's solved. Great. So this is how you solve these 4 kind of common problems when you're working in Blender. Thanks for watching. And if you like stuff like this, please like and subscribe. Bye.